अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप सो यू ऑल आर फाइन। वेलकम टू एजुकेशन फॉर ऑल। आज की वीडियो में हम लोग एम डी कैट 2024 के बायोलॉजी के MCQ सॉल्व करेंगे। और आप जानते हैं कि इस दफ़ा पॉसिबिलिटी है कि एन कैट तो हो सकता है कि इसमें से कुछ MCQ उसमें रिपीट हो। मोर ओवर आपको टेस्ट के बारे में अंदाज़ा हो जाएगा और आपको अपनी तैयारी का भी आइडिया हो जाएगा कि आपकी तैयारी कैसे। तो जल्दी जल्दी मैं MCQs पढ़ूँगा और साथ उनके आंसर आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगा। सो द फर्स्ट वन इज़ example of viruses having a polyhedral capsid with 252 capsomere is, so the right answer is adenovirus. The complete mature and infectious particle of virus is known as genome, prion, capsomeres envelope. So the options are wrong. The right option is viron. The causative organism of measles is pox virus, papovirus, piconovirus or paramyoxovirus. So the right option is delta. In the life cycle of a bacteriophage, the lysozymes are required in which of the following step of infection process? Gene, genome, injection, replication, penetration or adsorption. So the lysozymes are required for penetration. Dash is transmitted through infected blood and hypodermic syringes. HIV, measles, influenza virus or Vibrio cholera. So the right answer is HIV. HIV is transmitted through infected blood and hypodermic syringes. In Calvin cycle, carbon dioxide react with ribulose bisphosphate to produce 3-PGA 6 carbon unstable intermediate G3P 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. So the right option is Charlie. In Calvin cycle, carbon dioxide react with ribulose bisphosphate to produce 6 carbon unstable intermediate. Which option is correct about chlorophyll molecule? So ये उन्होंने इसमें right केमिकल फार्मूला दिया हुआ है C55H70O6N4 and Mg. In the journey of electrons from photosystem 2 to photosystem 1, plastocyanine is reduced by plastoquinine, P700, cytochrome complex, primary electron acceptor of photosystem 1. So here the right answer is cytochrome complex. Enzyme NADP reductase is responsible for reducing NADP, oxidizing NADP, reducing ferredoxin, reducing P700. So enzyme NADP reductase is responsible for reducing NADP. The photosystem 2 during light reactions receive electrons from splitting of water, plastocyanine, plastoquinone, ferredoxin. So the right option is alpha, water. Monosaccharides have a general formula that is represented by alpha CnH2n, beta Charlie and delta. So the right option here in the key of the UHS is beta CH2ON. What is the percentage of water in bone cells? So the percentage of water in bone cell is 20%. When glycerol reacts with fatty acid, which one of the type of chemical bond will form? So when glycerol react with fatty acid, ester bond will form. Polysaccharide in plants are synthesized by the process of hydrolysis, oxidation. So here the right option is condensation. Polysaccharides in plants are synthesized by the process of condensation. Which of the following process is involved in the breakdown of protein into amino acid? Condensation, glycolysis, hydrolysis या fixation? So hydrolysis is the process involved in the breakdown of protein into amino acid. So moving to the next page. Which monosaccharide will form a glucopyranose ring in a solution? So options are alpha fructose, beta glucose, Charlie ribose delta is deoxyribose. So here the right option is beta glucose. Glucose is the right option. 18 is chloroplast or membrane. So ये जो MCQ है ये गलत है. Next move करते हैं 19 पे. Which of the following is the function of Golgi complex? Intracellular digestion, autolysis, autophagy, or processing of cell secretions. So processing of cell secretion is the function of Golgi complex. The nucleus takes dies due to the presence of chromatin, lipid, metallines, thylakoids. So the nucleus takes dies due to the presence of chromatin. आपने साथ साथ याद करते जाना है इनको, ठीक है. The organelles only found at seeding stage in oil seed plant are glyoxysomes. Posterior lobe of pituitary produce antidiuretic hormone ADH. In human, myelinated fibers have nerve impulse travels at which speed? Meters per second. So in humans, myelinated fiber nerve impulse travels at the rate of 100 to 120 meters per second. Nissls granules are group of mesosomes, lysosomes, ribosomes or chromosomes. So the right option is Charlie, ribosomes. 25. During non-conducting stage, the neuron membrane is permeable to efflux of potassium. Right option is alpha potassium. Which of the following neurotransmitter is lying outside the central nervous system? So here the right option is acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is the neurotransmitter that lying outside the CNS, central nervous system. Depolarization during conducting of nerve impulse is due to. Right option is inward movement of sodium. Depolarization during conduction of nerve impulse is due to inward movement of sodium ion. Which of the following is not a feature of autonomic nervous system? Regulate response of visual organs, regulate response of glands, regulate response of skeletal muscles. So the right option is regulate response of skeletal muscles. Taste receptor is an example of mechanoreceptor, nociceptor, photoreceptor or chemoreceptor. So the right answer is chemoreceptor. Taste receptor is an example of chemoreceptor. Which of the following belong to chordates? So here the right option is trout fish belongs to chordates. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding the rate of enzymatic action? Increase in the concentration, increase the rate. Increase in enzyme concentration, reduce the rate. All enzyme work at maximum rate at optimum temperature. All enzyme work at their maximum at their optimum pH. So all the options are correct except beta. Increase in enzyme concentration, reduce the rate. So this option is incorrect. Let's move to the next one. Induced fit model of enzyme activity suggests that enzyme cannot modify its active site, can bind to single substrate, can catalyze related reactions, usually belong to non-regulatory enzyme. So according to induced fit model of enzyme activity, enzyme can catalyze related reactions. Chromosomal abnormality in Turner syndrome is represented by Charlie. So the right option is Charlie. The change in frequency of alleles at the locus that occurs by chance is known as genetic drift. Definition आपने याद कर लेनी है जी. The change in the frequency of alleles at a locus that occurs by chance is known as genetic drift. Identify the correct pair of vestigial organs. Air muscles and vermiform appendix air muscles and liver, heart and liver, vermiform appendix and heart. So here the correct pair of vestigial organs is alpha, air muscles and vermiform appendix. Which of the following increases variation within a gene pool? Chromosome inversion, crossing over, gene mutation, random fusion of gametes. Here the right option is genetic mutation, Charlie. Which of the following statement about natural selection is not true? It affects variation that are heritable. It can improve the adaptation of species. It is selected by a breeder. So this is not true. The formula calculating the frequency of genotype and alleles in a population gene pool is known as Hardy-Weinberg equation. The idea of inheritance of acquired characters was presented by Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. According to endosymbiosis theory, flagella may have derived by the ingestion of Charlie spirochetes. Charlie. Insulin converts glucose into vitamin, minerals, cortisone or lipids. So here the right option is lipids. Insulin converts glucose into lipids. About 70% of the carbon dioxide is carried in blood as bicarbonates. Right option is bicarbonate. A range of normal total lung capacity of human is 5 to 6 liter, 10 to 11 liter, 8 to 9 liter, 12 to 13 liter. So the right option is alpha, 5 to 6 liter. Respiration in Pseudomonas bacteria is aerobic. Autotrophic mode of nutrition in an organism depends upon saprotrophic mode, parasitic mode, photosynthetic mode and obligate mode. So the autotrophic mode of nutrition in organism depends upon photosynthesis mode. Prokaryotic cell lack mesosomes, ribosomes, story bodies, membrane bound organelles. So the prokaryotic cells lack membrane bound organelles. Bacterial genome becomes diploid during binary fission. So the 48th is one of the following is correct regarding flagella. Made of macrofilaments, contains centriole, originate from basal bodies, they are immotile. So the right option is Charlie, originate from basal bodies. Which option is correct about endospore? Endures extreme condition. Endospore endures extreme conditions. Bacteria divide at exponential rate during which growth phase? So here the right option is log phase, beta. Beta is correct. Log phase. Mesosomes are the invaginations of bacterial cell structure, cell membrane. Mesosomes are the invagination of bacterial cell structure. The cell structure is cell membrane. Female reproductive system consists of all of the following: ovaries right, oviduct right, cervix right. So here the right option for this is seminiferous tubules. Which of the following hormone is responsible for labor pain in human female at the birth of baby? So for labor pain, oxytocin is responsible. Fluid secreted by sterilized cells provides liquid medium protection and nourishment to sperms. Corpus luteum during female reproductive cycle produces progesterone delta. And due to the process of follicle atresia, follicle degenerates. Due to the process of follicle atresia, follicle degenerates. Main function of the epididymis is to transport sperms. So this is the main function of epididymis, to transport sperms. Immediate next stage of spermatogonia differentiation is primary spermatocytes. Which of the following is included in paired cranial bones? Paired cranial bones, right option is temporal. Which of the following skeletal disorder is an example of autoimmune disorder? Right option is rheumatoid arthritis. Which feature is processed by smooth muscles? Voluntary, branched, uninucleate, or striated appearance. So the right option is Charlie, uninucleate. The accumulation of lactic acid in the muscle result in extreme fatigue, muscle contraction, paralysis, or conversion. So this causes extreme fatigue, alpha. Thick filament in skeletal muscles are composed of actin, tropomyosin, myosin, troponin. So the right option is beta, myosin. So 64 is sarcomere is a part of myofibril between two Z lines. Medulla oblongata is a part of hindbrain. Which of the following is not a bone of upper limb? Humerus, ulna, radius. So these are the bone of the upper limb, whereas femur is not the bone of upper limb. Bone forming cells are definitely osteoblast. The chromosomes was first discovered by Charles Wilder.